My name is Gitte Jensen, and I'm the Research Director at NIS Labs. We specialize in research on natural products and their effects on the body. This involves research on natural methods to support the regenerative functions of our stem cells. We found that an extract from sea buckthorn berries has effects on stem cell mobilization. Sea buckthorn is a thorny shrub that grows naturally at very high altitudes in Tibet. The medicinal properties were recorded in Chinese scripts over 1500 years ago. The multitude of health effects associated with the berries also includes reparative functions. Therefore, based on our experience with medicinal plants, we looked for effects on stem cells as a unifying mechanism. Stem cells are responsible for repair of trauma and injury, as well as general maintenance and rejuvenation of organs and tissue. Stem cells need to travel through the whole body to look for tissues that are in need of repair. We worked with an extract from sea buckthorn berry rich in the complex anti-inflammatory flavonoids called proanthocyanidins. We tested its effect on the numbers of stem cells in the blood circulation. We conducted a randomized double-blind crossover trial in 12 healthy people. The study was placebo-controlled to account for each person's normal circadian rhythm. Blood samples were taken immediately before consuming either placebo or 500 mg of the berry extract. And 2 more blood samples were taken at 1 and 2 hours. The blood was used for immunophenotyping and flow cytometry to quantify the numbers of different types of stem cells. We observed mobilization of several types of stem cells. On the next 3 graphs, the changes seen after consuming the berry extract are shown with solid lines, and the changes seen after consuming placebo are shown by dashed lines. To the left, you see the changes in numbers of progenitor stem cells, where a highly significant increase occurred within 2 hours after consumption. And to the right, you see minor changes for the complementary pluripotential stem cell type. Here you see results for endothelial stem cells, where a statistically significant increase in numbers occurred within 1 hour after consumption and remaining significant at 2 hours. Here you see the result for mesenchymal lymphocytoid cells, where an increase in numbers occurred within 2 hours after consumption, reaching a statistical trend. When we took into account that different people may respond at different speed, we observed significant effects on mobilization of all 4 types of stem cells. We conclude that consumption of sea buckthorn extract resulted in mobilization of stem cells involved in reparative and regenerative functions. This data may contribute to the growing understanding of the traditional uses of sea buckthorn for preventive health, regenerative health, and postponing the aging process.